welcome back to another vlog. As always, I am starting my vlog in the car because we are on our way to Chinatown to get some Szechuan food. I recently watched this TV show where like the Korean chefs visit different parts of the world and they kind of challenge the chefs there of that region. And the one that I really kind of made me really crave the food was in China, Szechuan. And Szechuan is known for their spicy food, or their spices. I don't know how to say it. Whenever you order something in like a Chinese Korean restaurant, they have like Szechuan something. Sometimes the Szechuan region itself may not carry that, but they say it because it's supposed to be spicy. On this place in Chinatown, it's called Lao Szechuan, and it seems pretty popular. And there's a couple of dishes there that I want to try. It's supposed to be really spicy. Yeah, we're gonna just eat there quickly. Most likely I'm gonna grab a bubble tea or some kind of dessert there, and then yeah, that's the agenda for today's meal. For dinner, I don't know, it depends on how much I eat at this restaurant. And yeah, it's gloomy, it's supposed to rain a little bit today, but it seems okay, it seems just gloomy. I don't know, it looks seasoned cabbage.
I guess because it's Szechuan, they have like spicy. Right?
He's been trying to do the new chopstick. Hey, you did good. What's that?
It's spicy.
It's spicy. This is what Tong ordered. It's not that big though. She said it was really big. And then this is I think this is a really popular dish here. That's fried chili chicken. The sizzling beef. So I don't think you're supposed to drink the soup. No, it's okay. But
Good. Totally worth trying it. Yeah, I mean compared with these two. Wow, it's good.
we're like halfway done. This gets pretty oily, even though you're not drinking the soup or the oil. 맵지?
It's a bit spicy, yeah.
Oh my god, so cute! I want that one. Oh, I want this. $40? Oh, I want like no. I thought it was BTS. Oh, it's 비슷하다. You know? Ooh. Should I hang one in my room?
No.
Why? I want this one. How about this one? Yeah.
No, it's okay.
I want this one. Why not?
Hang one of these.
너 햄 먹고 싶지? 저 대박 귀여워.
나 지금
We stopped by the new Durajuru in Chinatown. I got some bread. This is the korokke. It's like a hot dog, but
That is cute.
it's so cute. So I bought a bag of tea and I asked for hot water. Look what they gave me. Like this is like, you're supposed to put straw in here. It's hot water, but whatever. Yeah, we're gonna head home right now. I am driving. It was a great meal. Definitely enjoyed it, and I recommend it. I would recommend it to people if they want something spicy and Chinese. It's a really good place. That's the new water dispenser we got not too long ago, and it's been
Life-saving.
life-changing experience because we boil our, after our coffee machine broke, we started boiling our water to do the drip coffee every morning, but it got really just annoying. But we decided to invest in one water dispenser that was about like $60 on Amazon, and it's been saving a lot of time, a lot of, you know, just energy, and overall saving everything. I think it made me really drink a lot of coffee, not coffee in the morning, but mostly tea during the day. Do you want some?
No, it's okay.
Sure.
Maybe not.
This is the korokke. It's not curry, but
Can I try?
it's dark inside. I think we should get a taller garbage can. Cause Ame went through. I think he went through the garbage can. Our garbage can it's pretty low, and Ame can definitely get to it. But he normally don't do that. And I
But there was a chicken.
Yeah, I think it was because we threw out some chicken, and I don't know. We've been home, but I don't know when he went through it. But this is the hot dog one. But anyways, yeah, I think I'm going to get a taller one. This one's okay. The reason why I kept a small trash can for the kitchen, I didn't like how if the trash can was too big, I don't want to keep piling it up with like food and like wet food, everything. And I don't want to keep waiting until it fills up. I think it's gonna, like, you know, I didn't want it to smell too much and all that. So I wanted to keep a smaller trash can so I could throw it out more frequently. Okay, so I have some cleaning to do, obviously. I did a little bit. Oh, what else do I have to do? Just turn on the light. So the other weekend, Tong and I were just like, we were like kind of tipsy, and we were like, I want to do some Legos. And we went to Target and we bought 2 Lego sets. So this is one set and this is 2. So this one was like $99 and this was $60. It's a Harry Potter. Isn't this so cute? Look at this one. There's Ron in here. Ron Weasley. So this one like twists like that, and Harry Potter. This is Professor Snape, and this is Headless Nicholas. Sorry, I'm not like a huge fan of Harry Potter, but it was like, I don't know, this was the best ones they had at Target. It's cute. And this is Hagrid on the boat, and there's Professor McGonagall, and this is Professor Quirrell with his snake, and I put Malfoy on here. I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the restaurant that we visited. If you guys ever get to visit that restaurant, let us know how you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!